Eliminate knee pain completely with this salt and egg trick. Today's video is for those people who suffer from knee pain and are looking for a more natural recipe to stop knee pain, but they don't know what really works. Before we continue, tell me, do you feel more pain in your left knee or your right knee? Let me know in the comments from which city you are watching me from. All you need to prepare it is salt and eggs. I bet you have these two ingredients right there in your house. Unfortunately, with age, pain and discomfort, both muscular and joint, increase. Although increased physical activity and movement helps to have a balanced life and always on the move, there are some homemade and natural recipes that can considerably relieve knee pain and repair our joints. In the meantime, comment here on which city you are watching us from. I want to take advantage and pass on a message that is in Jeremiah 29:11, which says, "For I am the one who knows the plans I have for you, says the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." i.e., God punishes sins and sometimes allows suffering, but His plans are always to bless and restore us. Reflect on this message. If your problem is in your knee, you can even pause the video to go get them. So let's get to the ingredients. You will need an egg yolk, a tablespoon of salt, and an elastic bandage. If you don't have a bandage, you can use a strip of cloth that you no longer use. So, preparing the recipe is easy. You just need to beat the egg yolk and mix it well with the salt. Forward this video to the Families app group. There may be more people like you looking for relief from knee pain. With this homemade natural recipe to stop knee pain in a short period of time, you will realize that it can not only relieve pain in the knees, but also remove inflammation from the joints can be caused by diseases such as arthritis and osteoarthritis. You apply this mixture to the knee that is hurting. Massage lightly and then wrap the bandage. Leave it on the knee for about 2 hours. While you watch your soap opera, the newspaper, a movie, wash the dishes, whatever you feel the need for, you can apply this recipe twice a day up to 4 times if the pain is very strong. Within a few days of use, you will notice a considerable improvement in your pain. This recipe for joint inflammation and knee pain works because of the numerous benefits of both the salt and the eggs. The salt is rich in magnesium, which reduces inflammation. Eggs hide minerals and proteins that strengthen bones, ligaments, and tissues. Did you like today's tip? A big kiss and see you there.